Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do you find drafts on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your story section or the plus icon. And in here, suppose go to the camera section and click a photo. And once you click a photo, just add any scene you want. Suppose I'm adding this one. And then just go back. It will give you this option of save draft. So save this draft and go back. Now, as we head over to our Instagram story again, and you can find this option of drafts just beside the music section on the top left. So if you tap on it, you'll find your drafts in here, whether it is story draft or a post draft. So here goes the draft section. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.